In this video, I'm going to show you a free Twitter tracker for meme coins you must use. And what's great about this Twitter tracker is that it's actually integrated into a platform called Axiom Pro. So in case you don't have an account yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you're on the Axiom Pro website over here, you can then start using the tracker. And the way you can do this is by going to the trackers tab up here, which is the third one. And from here, you can go to customize feed and you can see there's your list. Now, currently it's empty because I just deleted all my handles over here so I can show you how to actually use it. And from here, you can do either of two things. You can either, of course, add a handle yourself or import it, or you can see the top subscriptions. Now, if you click on top subscriptions over here, you can see kind of the most subscribed and most boosted handles over here. And you can, of course, add them very easily by just clicking the plus button. So you can click on plus, add to your list, and as you can see, these are now getting added to my list. So let's say I just added top 5. Of course, you can scroll to these. There's about 1.5k different ones over here in this list, and they're constantly changing. So you can check each and every single one. And if you click on the handle, it will open on X or on Twitter. And after you do this, of course, you can check if that's something that you would like to actually follow and track on Axiom. So once you do this, once you, of course, select some subscriptions, you can go to my list over here, and there we go, you've got them over here right now. What's also great is you can either hide tweets or reveal them if you want to. You can hide profile updates or, of course, reveal them, and you can also hide follows or show them again if you want to as well. And if you are, for example, not going to use one of these handles anymore, you can simply delete them by clicking delete over here, so remove from list, and there we go. Now, you can see here on the left, there's boosts. If you click on this boost, as you can see, it says your boosts, your available and currently allocated boosts. Basically, what this does is they boost them, so they boost the people over here on your list in the top subscriptions feed. So basically, if you want to, for example, boost somebody, like let's say this one over here, click on boost, and if you have any boosts available, you can simply allocate some boost to them and they will get boosted up in the top subscriptions ratings over here. So as you can see, it's sorted by boosts, not by subscribers. Now, if I go back to my list, what's also great over here is that you can add a handle. So if you click add handle, you'll be able to manually add a person over here. So whichever user of Twitter or X you're wanting to add, you can do this. So you can just type in a username, you can go to X, you can search it up what their handle is. For example, let's say we want to add Elon Musk, and then you can click add, and there we go, they've been added to your list. Now, from here, you can also import them. So for example, if you know a streamer or a trader, a pro trader who offered or basically gave away his list of Twitter handles over here, you can click import and just paste that list in here, click import, and you will have their exact same list, which is amazing. And of course, if you would like to share yours, you can export over here, and then you've had your Twitter basically settings copied to your clipboard, and if somebody goes to import, they can paste them in like this, and there we go, they'll be able to import these as well. Once you have this set up over here, so once you have your list modified, you can go to Twitter alerts over here, and then you'll be able to track them. Now, if for the first time you click over here, it may not show. What you have to do is just click somewhere else, go back to trackers, and there we go. It just updated over here, and it's showing live updates. Now, let me show you something else. Of course, when you go out of here, you don't see the Twitter tracker anymore, but you can. So what you have to do, at the bottom, you want to click on Twitter tracker, and then it's going to show up, and this will stay over here until you close it with this X button. So if I go to a different site like polls, trackers, perpetuals, whatever, you'll be able to see it on your screen forever. And you can also pin it to the bottom or maybe to the left or to the right of your screen if you would like to. So as you can see, I've pinned it over here, which I actually prefer, and if I then navigate through the platform, it will always stay here, and I can always be up to date with what's going on Twitter with the handles I follow, which is amazing. So yes, as I said, this is in my opinion the best free Twitter tracker for meme coins you actually must use. As I said, yet again, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Make sure to check that out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.